Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. So hope you all are well. I am good too, alhamdulillah. So right now I'm here with another interesting recipe of figs and raspberry tarts. So let's begin with pata sable. You can see the recipe card. I'm just doing everything by hand today. I want to avoid all the hassle of washing all the utensils later on. So just follow the method with me. First I am going to cream the cold butter with icing sugar, and yeah, I'm just using my hand because nowadays I'm very lazy. So that's it, it's creamed. Now I'm going to add all the dry ingredients, and when you add all the dry ingredients you don't have to mix too much with your hands because we don't want flour to develop the gluten here. So now I'm going to add the egg and little bit of pressing of dry ingredients, and then I am just going to roll it out between the guitar sheet, and you can also use parchment paper, it's up to you, but I have a lots of guitar sheet, so I'm just going to roll it. The thickness should be around 2 to 3 mm. Okay, so that's it. Now I'm going to place this in the freezer for further step. So once I just place it in the freezer for 30 minutes, I have put the pata sable in the mold. Okay, and I'm just going to clean it out the edges nicely, so when it's baked it will take a nice shape. Okay, I'm going to put further in 30 minutes in the freezer, then I will take it out, put some mark, and here it is. Now I'm going to prepare the frangipan, and meanwhile my tart is baking, okay, in the oven. Frangipan also I did it by hand. So here it is, our beautiful tart. I am just going to put frangipan layer, okay, and I will try to smooth it out with the spatula. You know, it's a small tart, I don't want to use a lot of utensils and machinery. And now I'm just going to top it with fresh figs. I love figs, it has very nice flavor, and we bake it, and now we will just try to cool it down. Okay, now we are preparing raspberry gel. You can see the recipe card, and I have mentioned several times in my previous recipe that you just have to heat the puree until 40 degrees Celsius, and then you just have to add the glucose and add sugar plus pectin in showering method, so that it doesn't get clogs, and you know, it doesn't get how do you say it, I don't remember the word exactly, but anyways, so let's just cook it until 80 degrees Celsius, and then we will wait for it cool down, and we will pour it on the layer of frangipan. Okay, and now I'm going to smooth it out with the spatula. You can see it's already looking very beautiful. Now for the next step, I have prepared mascarpone chantilly, and you can find it the recipe in the comment section, in the description actually. I have prepared this same recipe before as well, so I'm just going to pipe it. Okay, done. And now I am going to decorate it with the nice and fresh figs. Okay, here it is. I put some dried flour as well, and see how beautiful it is. I'm just going to remove it from the mold, and I will top it with fresh lime zest just to break the color, and that's it. Here it is, the beautiful fig raspberry tart, and I hope you will enjoy the recipe. Look how beautiful and refreshing it is looking. Now it's time to enjoy and cut the tart. Okay, now here it is. I'm just going to cut and show you the beautiful layer, and on that note I will take a leave, and I would request you to please like and subscribe, and we will meet in another video with new recipe. Until then, bye, ciao, and take care of yourself.